Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to roofing contractors in Bucks County, Montgomery County, here we're in Delaware County, siding, windows, doors, exterior contracting, I could not be standing with a better industry pro. I'm standing with Wayne from New Look Builders. Wayne, we're standing on a project here in Delaware County that's a challenging project. Tell me about this project and tell me why your company's the right call when it comes to taking on challenging roofing projects.
We're dealing with a project of this magnitude where the entire layer of roofing and wood had to be removed. Not only do you need to be a roofing pro, you need to have carpentry skills. And we are a building company. We could do anything. We could build a home from the ground up. We choose to do exterior services only. That's roofing, siding, windows, gutters and doors. And any problem that arises, we're the company that can, through our expertise, take care of it. So when we're done, we want to make sure that the job's done correctly and that the customer is 100% satisfied.
This particular job actually had a cedar under the asphalt. Tell me why that is kind of like a special service. I mean, I see a lot of plywood here.
Cedar roofing is laid over what we call planks. And when that is removed, the planks have to be removed and new plywood has to be laid as a base so that the new shingle system can be installed.
I'm becoming aware that every roof is not the same. There could be a lot of issues underneath the appearance. This particular roof exemplifies that. Tell me why.
Well, in every case, when we meet with a customer, our job is to find out exactly what the issues are so that we're prepared when we come to the work site. In this case, it was a layer of cedar roofing underneath a layer of asphalt roofing. So we had to remove everything. Cedar is laid over planks. The planks will not support asphalt roofing. So all new plywood, half-inch exterior CDX plywood is installed. Then we put a layer over that, a synthetic layer underneath of that, and then the asphalt shingles on top of that. So you really have to know what you're doing in a case like this.
When it comes to roofing or siding, I've come to understand the importance of being certified in these systems. And then you put windows in. So if you're putting siding in, you need to know windows. Tell me why that's so important.
The most important thing when you're dealing with different services, roofing, siding, windows, doors, anything like that, you have to have the carpentry skills to make sure that everything fits together. Many roofing companies are good roofing companies, but they don't have the carpentry skills it takes to blend siding with roofing, install doors, make sure windows are installed properly, that everything is done according to the code in those particular townships and counties.
Your company has made a name for giving honest and true pricing and standing behind that pricing. Tell me about that part of your business.
As far as our pricing, every company has the same set of expenses. You know, everybody pays almost the same for materials. We do a lot of volume, so we get a little discount, but there's labor and there's overhead. Our labor, we have highly skilled employees that we train, and we keep our finger on the pulse of any changes in our industry. So they're trained on a semi-annual basis. After you pay for labor and material, it's overhead. We keep our overhead very low, and most of our marketing is done word of mouth. So we keep our expenses low, so we can compete with the best companies, which we consider ourselves one of, at a very fair price.
We also consider you to be one of the best. I couldn't be more proud to actually be promoting your services. I've had a chance to meet your guys, as I've said, and I'm really impressed with their knowledge. A lot of companies out there, unfortunately, they're really just in it for a quick buck, and they're in and out of jobs, and they don't really care. Your company's really committed for the long haul with these customers.
A roof is not a roof. There's many options, there's many different types of shingles, underlayments, things like that. For example, you wouldn't walk into a dress store if you're a woman and say, I want to buy a dress, how much does it cost? You want to know what kind of dress, what it's made out of, and why the cost may vary. So we offer many solutions at different price points depending on what the customer needs and wants.
If you're looking for a quality roofing contractor, siding contractor, window, doors, you cannot have a better exterior contractor on the job. You and your guys are out here overseeing and often getting involved to make sure the job's absolutely perfect.
Our goal always is 100% customer satisfaction every single time.
Thanks, Wayne. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you.